Hi guys, this is Carmen and I'm just doing a very quick tutorial on Facebook advertising. So very uncomplicated, basic stuff. You will have to test it out, you will have to learn more about it, but this is just a basic just to get started with. So just to let you know how this looks, you see over here, these are ads. Just make note of the title, how many words will get into your text, and you will have an image. They're all pretty much like that. And another one, here you have one over here. I haven't liked this page. This is actually a sponsored ad. See, it says sponsored. So you can have an ad going into people's news feeds. So we're going to go ahead. You need a fan page to get started with this. So we're going to go into the new Happy Me fan page to show you. You have different ways. Facebook wants you to advertise, so you'll see promote page, you will see promote this story, which is one post. You also have actually here, when you create a post, you can boost post. Boost post, from what I have heard from teammates and what I have experienced myself, doesn't work as well, but experts have been saying that you can do them in conjunction, and at least for testing with general ads on Facebook. So this here is the ad that I want to post. There are two sentences that I want to have appear, and even if it's part of the link, they will see it in blue, so they will see that there's a link. It doesn't have to be limited to that on your post. You can go way longer. See, I have a post that is way longer, but the ad will only take the beginning. And the image happens to be a video. This happens to be a post that is a video. So I can boost post. I want to show you that. So when you boost post, you can, it keeps disappearing. Let's do this properly. So when you boost post, you can have the post boosted to people who already like your page and their friends, or you can target people you choose through targeting. This particular one, I'm going to try it out with people who are already on my page and their friends. I'm just going to do $5. I'm not going to do much. And you can also do choose by targeting, which is very close to what you would have on the ads manager. You would add targeting in terms of location. Let's say you can click on that and you can add countries, or you can choose not to target anybody, go at large, but this is really done for targeting. You can add targeting in age, gender, and language as well, so you can play around with that. So I'm just going to do people who like my page and their friends at $5. So this budget is reaching out to $2,600 to 4,800 of 26,000 people, 2,600 sorry, people to 4,800 people of a potential audience of 360,000. So it's pretty good. $5, not bad. Actually, what's the next one? 11. You know what? We'll go with $11, and we will reach 5,000 to 9,000 people approximately. So that's pretty good. I'm going to boost a post like that. So at least friends of people who have liked my page will see it, and that may expand my like numbers on my page at the same time. So that seems to be okay. Promoted for $11. We are going to go back to my newsfeed. And over here I have Ads Manager. I've actually put it in favorites. You may see it lower down in this list on the left, but that's where you want to go. You can create ad. You may have this, you may have that right here under sponsored ads. So you have them at many areas. I just choose to go there, and we get into ads and we just create an ad. So I'm creating an ad for this page, and I know that I want to create an ad for that particular post. I can create an ad for the page to get more likes, but this one is for posts. I'm going to go down. This is not the post that I want to create an ad for. This is the one that I want to create an ad for. This is the preview. See, I have 2 lines and my link is there with the image. So that's good enough. And you can get creative. I mean, over here you can have something that's more vibrant in color. Test it out. See what works for you, what your audience will click on more readily. And what I want to target is, actually for this one in particular, I want to target Canada, and you can add United States, Australia, United Kingdom, whatever other countries you want. What I want to do is go to a city in Canada, in Montreal because in the video I'm mentioning Montreal and includes cities about 50 miles around. That's the furthest we can go. And I'm targeting moms, stay-at-home moms. So I'm going to go from, let's say, 27 to 50 years old. 50 may be on the older edge, but that's fine. And I'm targeting women only. That's 580,000 people who live in Canada, around 50 miles from Montreal, and 27 to 50 years old inclusive, and who are female. Over here, I can do this. I won't do it now because my audience is relatively small anyway, but you can have interest. Let's say I want people who have been interested in the Oprah Life class. So Oprah's Life class is 327,000 people. So see, my audience just went down because it's narrowing my target audience. You can put as many as you want. We can put Anthony Robbins, and that's going to add a few more people, 2,800 people. So you can play around with this as much as you want. We're just going to, you know what, we'll just remove it there. There we go. So we're just targeting women in Canada, Montreal. And you can test this. You can have multiple ads, let's say at a small budget each, and test. What if I do Montrealers only, or Canadians who have this interest? You can just test it out with different things that you change in each of your ads. Then you will go to per day or lifetime budget. Lifetime budget will make you decide from when to when. I'm doing this on the weekend, Friday to Monday. Usually works a lot better than weekdays. I will do $5 a day because I'm going to do some testing, and I run my campaign continuously. I'll just stop it when I think when I see fit. And this is what I want to show you. Switch to advanced pricing. Now, before I did that, it was already optimized. So this is what you're seeing here. Your bid is optimized to increase engagement with your post. It works relatively well, but it is a little more expensive. You can test that out. You can also optimize for clicks. Either automatically optimize for clicks or manually bid for clicks. This means that you are only paying if someone is clicking. You can manually bid for clicks, and you will see this particular ad can run for 6 to 11 cents suggested bid. So I can bring it down to 6 cents, and I can do manual bids per click. I can also optimize per impression. Per impression means per 1,000 times that the ad is shown, whether people click on it or not. So this is 4 cents to 13 cents per 1,000 impressions. So you can optimize it per click or manual bidding for click, or you can optimize for impressions or charge a certain amount, bid a certain amount per impression. So you can work on those. You can test them out, see what's working better with the type of ad and the type of market that you are working with. I'm actually going to test this manually bidding for bids at 6 cents. So we're all done here. Review ad, and this is what we have. I'm just going to change the ad name to actually I'll name it Canada/Montreal. I didn't put any interests, so I'll put no interests, and that way when I'm testing I will be able to work on my testing. And everything else looks fine. Place order, and we're all done. So we're going to see now, this is the ad. This is what it looks like. It is now pending review. It could take a few minutes, or it could take a few hours, up to 24 hours to get that approval. Once it's approved, it starts running, and this is where you're going to see all the statistics on how well your ad is going. Click-through rate is what you usually look at. If you have more than 0.1%, you're doing well. I've seen 3, 5, 8, 11%, so it is possible. But if you see a very low percentage, it's normal. 0.1% is very normal. and you're going to see, now it's not working, so you're not going to see it, but you're going to see how many actions were taken on this particular ad. You can actually now create another ad for the same campaign. So now I can go back and create for the same post. I can now go and do Canada, United States, and do targeting for people who have certain interests: Oprah's Life Class, Anthony Robbins, Wayne Dyer, and so forth. So I can test that out. So that's pretty much it. It's very easy and it requires a lot of trial and error. So test it out, and hope this helped. Bye, guys.